There is nothing in the arcane and blasphemous arsenal of the forces of chaos that can compare to faith. With the power of faith, our weapons become shining instruments of deliverance that can cleave the mightiest demon in twain. With the power of faith, our minds appear as slivers of pure agony to the demon, driving into the wretched forms of those who would dare stand before us. With the power of faith, our words become commands that cause the demon to cower and cringe in terror. I could meet my enemies unarmed, without a shred of fear in my chest, for I know that the Emperor watches over me and guides my hand. So let them come. We shall show them what the power of faith can do. Arvan Stern serves as a brother captain of the Grey Knights chapter during the era Indomitus. Among the longest-serving warriors of the 666th chapter of the Adeptus Astartes, few among the ranks of the elite demon hunters can match the accolades and deeds of their vaunted captain of the Third Brotherhood, the Wardmakers. Seemingly destined to one day become a Grand Master of the chapter by virtue of his immense potential, such a lofty destiny would not be fated for Arvan Stern. For 4 Terran centuries of service to his chapter, Stern's valiant deeds would be undercut by the manipulations and misfortunes sown by the demonic Lord of Change, Makakan. Confronting the cult of the Red Talon during 855.M41 on the world of Antraxes, Stern would strike at the heart of the Temple of the Chaos Cultists and slaughter every soul in service to the foul pantheon of chaos. Banishing Makakan into the tides of the warp, Stern's destiny would forever be intertwined with his most cunning nemesis. Vowing to devour the mortal soul of Arvan Stern, the Lord of Change would vow to accomplish his task, should it take even an eternity to achieve. The vendetta between mortal champion and immaterial entity would resume 101 years later during 956.M41 with the return of the Lord of Change. Laying a trap within the obsidian pyramids of Sargotha, Stern's 5-man kill team of Astartes would be ambushed, with only Stern surviving the encounter. Marked with scars incurred from the battle, Stern's wrath would be stoked as he would commit to banishing the demon once more and challenge the Lord of Change once again. Continually drawing out Stern and his men into direct confrontations with his thralls, the cowardly Makakan flees from battle at the sight of his nemesis, yet not before slaughtering a toll of the stalwart Grey Knights. Thwarting every scheme concocted by the greater demon of Tzeentch, Arvan Stern accrues ever better insight and knowledge on how to slay his foe. Citing the Grey Knight tome of the Iron Grimoire, it is noted that the followers of the Changer of Ways, whilst cunning, are also prone to self-deception, and each miscalculation made by Makakan fuels Stern's relentless retribution. His all-consuming duty to rend the demon from existence, Arvan Stern refuses to accept his promotion to the rank of Grand Master until his quest to expunge Makakan from existence is complete. Supported by his brethren with unflinching loyalty and support, the Grey Knights recognize and accept his duty to abolish such a foul miscreant of chaos from the material realm. For Arvan Stern trains to this day and keeps both his mental fortitude and nemesis sword sharp in his efforts to one day destroy his most hated foe.